This is Mike Cooper, Certified Arborist for First Choice Tree Service, and today we're going to be discussing proper pruning and training young tree canopies here in the southwest region of the United States, where temperatures can exceed 100 degrees for several months in the summer. This is one reason why proper pruning is so important. Before we start the pruning process, I'd like to address a couple of the questions that I frequently get asked by my clients. Number one, when is a good time to start the training process on a young tree? I always like to wait about 1.5 to 2 years after the tree's been planted. This gives the root system an adequate amount of time to establish in the soil. There's a lot of translocating of water, carbohydrates, and growth hormones within the tree's vascular system. So it's important to make sure the system is healthy before we start pruning out of the canopy. The second question is, how much should we take out of the tree canopy the first pruning process? Although you're going to hear numbers from 5% up to say 35%, I never exceed 15% of the canopy at one time. And number three, why? Why should we be training our young tree canopies? For a couple of reasons. Structural pruning, it's the best time when the tree's young like this, because we're going to be taking out smaller branches. The smaller the branch, the smaller the cut. The smaller the cut, the smaller the wound. The smaller the wound, the faster that wound is going to seal over. Trees don't heal, they seal. Today we're going to be pruning this fruitless olive. Before I prune this tree, or any tree, I always want to recommend you have a dialogue with the homeowner to let them know exactly what you're going to be doing and understand what their expectations are as well. This olive tree was planted here to provide a little bit of privacy from the neighbors and oncoming vehicles coming up the road. So we're going to do just a slight raise of the bottom canopy, balance it out nicely, a little bit of interior clean out, and then just shaping the top back into canopy shape. Now that we raised up the lower canopy, we'll start the interior crown cleaning. Now that we're through with the proper pruning and training of this young tree canopy, I want to express one important point, and that is leaving a lot of the nice, healthy interior within the tree's canopy. This is going to protect that thin layer of bark from sunburn. Here's a picture of an over-pruned and hollowed out olive tree that I located in one of our local casinos in the parking lot. There was about 100 of them pruned this way. Check it out. Notice the sun-burnt stem on the lower canopy of this olive. Notice how it splits open. This is how disease pathogens and insect infestation get into our trees.